guys, so today I have a swimsuit haul review for you from a website called CupShe.com. I have reviewed them in the past before. If you would like to check out that video, it is linked in the try that one more time. It is linked in the description box below if you would like to check that one out. I know this time of year it is really cold for a lot of people. It's cold in my state, but I have followers from all around the world, and it may not be cold where you live. Plus, you might just want to get some swimsuits now because they have some really good deals going on for the warmer weather to come. So let's go ahead and get into it. One thing I really like about CupShe is they put the swimsuits in a little bag and they're resealable and they're really nice quality bags so you can use them for other stuff or storing swimsuits because I have so many it's nice to put them in little bags. Like so. And then they actually have the swimsuits like folded nicely in here, but I've already like taken them out and looked at them, so it's jumbled in here. But I really like the bags. Nice bags. I actually caught them. I'm so proud of myself. This is one of the first ones that I got. The quality is awesome. The only thing I have issues with is I wish the site carried like extra smalls and then also went into like extra larges. And I also wish you could change the sizes, like if you needed a small top and like a medium bottom, I wish you could do that. The swimsuits are like, you know, if you need a small, the top and bottoms are small, and then the sizes go, I think, through small and large. I really need an extra small for swimsuits, but they only carry smalls, which is okay though. I really like the material. I got, I think, 3 of them, which is like the same. I can't remember what this is called. Is this pleated? I don't know. You guys will certainly let me know in the comments. But it's this. Look at that. Safety first. This is what the top to this one looks like. I don't know, does this one? Yeah, you can tie and tighten this if you need to. Oh my gosh, it's lightly padded just so your nips don't pop out. But if you want that to happen, I mean, you could take the padding out. I don't know what you're into, but that's entirely up to you. I got a lot of stripes. I was in a very stripy mood when I was picking out the items from this website, and now that I'm looking at it, like, there's pretty much everything is striped minus like 2 or 3 of the ones that I picked out. And I only picked out 7, so expect a lot of stripes. This is the next one. It is like a halter top, I think. Wait, no. It is not. It crisscrosses in the back and then it ties in the front, and it has this cute little like fringe. One thing I really like are the straps are adjustable, same with the other swimsuit. It's really nice to have that. I like these better than the ties, so big thumbs up for that. Quality with this is very awesome. I don't even know if I said the quality in the other one was nice, but it is. This one ties in the front. It looks a little odd now, but when it's on, it comes together a lot easier, and you guys will see in a second. Here are the bottoms. They're just like the regular bikini cut. They're kind of like the, excuse me, the like higher cut bikini bottoms, like how a lot of older swimsuits are, which I like that a lot. Very well made, none of the stitching is loose, like everything is very well intact. Oh my, what is happening here? There's a lot going on. I think these are called Monokinis. I can't remember. It's like one piece and the bottom is cut out. Not bottom, the middle. So here's this one, more stripes. This is not like adjustable, it's just tied for like cuteness in the middle. Then you can remove this little halter strap if you want, which I think is an awesome touch. And then it's also adjustable. All the ones that I got are in a size small. Like I said, I really needed like an extra small with pretty much every swimsuit, but that's okay. And then it just has this little like clasp in the back. Next is this other one piece. The back is open. More stripes, colorful stripes this time. This one is a small, but it's definitely more like a medium. The other smalls are like pretty average, like they look like smalls, like a small that you would get. This one is definitely more size like a medium. You can't even like see it all. So if you get this swimsuit, which all of them will be linked in the description box below, so if you see one that you like, you can just click directly below and it will take you to it. It just ties in the back. But like I said, since this runs big, I suggest getting a size under what you normally would wear. Then I got this bikini top, and this one has little strings that wrap around you, so it's gonna look really odd until it's on for you to see. I really like this color a lot. I really liked the bottom on this one too. It has like the little just straps on the side, or not straps, but like strings. I just think bottoms like that are really cute. And then I got another striped swimsuit. More stripes. The top of this one, this reminds me of like a sports bra. I don't know what this type of top is actually called, but looks like this. And then the front just has like these little knots that are like knotted together. It's cute. The straps are not adjustable or anything on this one. And then here are the bottoms for this one. They have these little thingies on the side, which are really cute when it's on. And this is very similar material to this one. The pattern's different. These are like little like circle-y thingies. I'll show you up close so you can like see, but I really like it. Again, something I would like to applaud CupShe for is the quality of the swimsuits, because they really are nice quality. Because sometimes when you order stuff like online, the quality can be like, I'm skeptical of a lot of the quality when I get things online, but these really are nice quality. So especially for the price. So a big thumbs up for that. Last but not least is my favorite swimsuit that I picked up from the site. It is this one. This is like one of my favorite colors. I love yellow. I don't know why I love yellow as much as I do right now, but I do. It's just one of my things. And it has like these little cutouts on the side. And it's another sports bra looking top. The back is pretty open. And here are the bottoms. I wanted to do something a little different for my favorite swimsuit from the site. I decided to include the try-on part for this one in a pool. So it's all underwater and neat, and you guys get to see that right after this. Enjoy!
Christopher Robin, what exactly is doing nothing?
Well, I'm told it means going along, listening to all the things you can't hear, and not bothering.
neat was that? I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's different than anything that I've ever done for one of my try-on hauls. Let me know if you would like a whole video, pretty much, or like try-on video to be underwater. I think that would be super neat to do sometime. So don't forget to tell me in a comment below if you enjoyed that, because I can do more of that in the future. If you liked any of the swimsuits that I showed you in this video, make sure you check out the description box below. As I mentioned earlier, they will all be linked there. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah!